Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Chipman News. Here I am reading all newspaper article. This is our today article. Modi accept Canadian PM Carney invite to G7. Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni on the sideline of the G7 summit in Italy last year. PTI PM's visit to Canada comes after a decade marred by tensions over the Khalitani issue and explosion of the diplomat. Modi thanked Carney for the invite, said their meeting will give Thai a renewed vigor. Shishani Heather, New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will represent India at the G7 summit in Canada next week after he was invited by Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney during a telephone call. Mr. Modi confirmed the development on Friday. The visit to Canada, Mr. Modi's first since 2015, could mark a reset in ties after years of tension over Khalistani separatists targeting Indian diplomats and the killing of Canadian and Khalistani leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar, for which the previous Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau had blamed India's government agent. The invitation for India as a guest invite for the G7 summit to be held in Kaneski's Alberta province of Canada could also herald the restoration of India and Canada diplomatic presence in each other capital, where both sides expelled High Commissioner stop visa temporarily and cut staff drastically in 2023 and 2024. In October 2024, India and Canada also expelled each other deputy high commissioner over further charges in the Niger case and spying respectively. This month also marks two anniversary 40 years since the bombing of the Air India Kanishka flight on June 23, 1985 by Khalistani separatists in Canada, and 2 years since the killing of Niger on June 18, 2023 near Toronto, and both governments would have to work around each other's sensitivity during the visit. In a statement, Mr. Cornell said Mr. Modi had discussed the bilateral relationship, including people to people and commercial ties, making an oblique reference to the Niger case and Khalistani issue. Importantly, there was agreement to continue enforcement dialogue and discussion addressing security concerns, he said. Announcing the visit, Mr. Modi said his meeting with Mr. Carney would give ties renewed vigor as vibrant democracies bound by deep people to people ties. India and Canada will work together with renewed vigor, guided by mutual respect and shared interest. Look forward to our meeting at the summit, said Mr. Modi in a social media post, adding that he had thanked Mr. Carney for the invitation to the G7 and congratulated him on his recent victory by in Canadian election. Mr. Modi attended at the G7 summit, where he has been to every year as a special invitee since 2018, will also give him the opportunity to meet leaders from France, USA, UK, Italy, Japan, and Germany for the first time since Operation Sindoor. In particular, Mr. Modi will meet with USA President Donald Trump after a strain in ties over Mr. Trump's assertion that he mediated to end the 4-day conflict between India and Pakistan. The invitation comes after some speculation that Canada would not invite the Indian leader given the leader relationship at present and the very short notice, with just over a week to go for the summit added to the surprise of the announcement. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. For us, bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow on next video. Jai Hind.